In this video, I'll show you how to get approved for Level 2 options trading on Robinhood. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the profile icon to open your account menu. From there, look for the menu icon at the top of the screen and tap on it to open additional options. In this menu, find and select the Investing section. This area contains the settings and permissions related to your trading features. Next, scroll down until you find the Options Trading section. If options trading is not enabled on your account yet, you'll see an option to enable it. Go ahead and tap the Enable Options Trading button. Once you tap that option, a new screen will appear explaining the approval process. Tap Continue to move forward. Robinhood will then ask you a few questions about your trading knowledge and experience with options. You may see questions about how familiar you are with option strategies, or whether you understand how certain options trades work. Answer these questions carefully and as accurately as possible. After that, Robinhood will ask for some additional information related to your investing profile. This may include details about your income, investing experience, and your investment goals. Take a moment to review the agreement. After submitting everything, Robinhood will review your application. Once the review is complete, you'll receive a notification letting you know whether your account has been approved for Level 2 options trading. If approved, you'll then be able to start trading options directly from your Robinhood account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.